Welcome back to Cars Info Point, where we bring you all the details you need to know before buying your next car. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV that continues to blend practicality, efficiency, and style in one affordable package. Whether you're a city commuter or someone who enjoys weekend road trips, this might just be the crossover you've been waiting for. At first glance, the 2026 Corolla Cross looks more refined than ever. Toyota has updated the front grille design with sharper lines, a more aggressive bumper, and sleeker LED headlights. It still carries that familiar Corolla charm, but with a bit more muscle and road presence this time around. The new alloy wheel designs and bold body cladding also give it a sportier stance, helping it stand out in a sea of compact SUVs. Under the hood, Toyota offers two powertrains. The standard 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivers a reliable 169 horsepower paired with a continuously variable transmission. But the big highlight is the updated hybrid version, now more efficient and responsive. With Toyota's fifth-generation hybrid system, you get around 200 horsepower and an estimated fuel economy of over 40 mpg combined, making it a smart pick for budget-conscious drivers. Inside, the 2026 Corolla Cross has received several meaningful upgrades. The dashboard features a larger, floating touchscreen, now up to 12.3 inches on higher trims, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Toyota's latest infotainment system is smooth and user-friendly, and voice controls have been improved for hands-free convenience. Higher trims also include a digital instrument cluster, dual-zone climate control, and an upgraded JBL audio system. Rear seat space is comfortable for adults, and the cargo area remains one of the most spacious in its class. With the seats folded down, you get ample room for groceries, luggage, or even camping gear. Toyota has clearly prioritized practicality, making this SUV a great fit for small families and solo drivers alike. On the safety front, the Corolla Cross includes Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and now, a proactive driving assist feature that lightly steers and brakes to help avoid obstacles. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross remains an excellent value in the compact SUV segment. It doesn't try to be flashy, but it nails the essentials: reliability, comfort, fuel efficiency, and solid tech. If you're looking for a crossover that's easy to live with and built to last, this one should be high on your list. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Cars Info Point, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next one.